I've been in this house since 1999. It's been a great house. We love it. Love our neighbors, love the neighborhood. Schools are great, the city's great. To have a roof over your head, a nice roof over your head, is very important. We got Rhino Shield installed 18 years ago. We walked around the subdivision to find out what color we wanted and discussed it with the people from Rhino Shield, and they were very cooperative on getting us the right paint, exactly what we wanted. And they did a great job. They were in and out and done in no time. Once it was finished, it looked great. We were very happy with it. We've watched a lot of people get their house painted 3 or 4 times. We haven't had to do any of it. I don't know about you guys, but if I'm in the house for a long time, I don't want to have to paint it every 5-7 years. It can be very brutal in the wintertime here, and it's held up quite well. We haven't had any problems. We've had some really warm summers, and we've had some really cold winters, especially in the last 10 years, and nothing's phased it. Financially, it makes sense, especially if it's going to last like this did, and still is. Still looks great.